Fear not. Fear not. The Lord is saying to somebody today, fear not. From the first day you prayed, He heard you. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Let's go today for a reading from Daniel chapter 10, reading verse 12. Then said he unto me, Fear not, Daniel, for from the first day that thou didst sit thine heart to understand and to chasten thyself before thy God, thy words were heard, and I am come for thy words. I encourage you to read the entire chapter of Daniel chapter 10, especially Daniel chapter 10 from verses 1 through to 12, and you will get the understanding of it. Whatever you're praying about, don't stop praying because you don't see anything happening. Keep praying because God is working in the midst. God bless you.